Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kyra and today I'm bringing to you the first of 3 looks that I'll be bringing to you this week using the Alter Ego Sahara palette. My channel, a very special welcome to you. I hope you will consider subscribing before you leave. If you like what you see today, it's free, it's easy, and it helps you find more videos like this Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday when I upload. And allegedly, if you ring that notification bell to all, YouTube will let you know when that happens. Allegedly. So many of you know that I am moving. We are moving into a beautiful big house from our teeny tiny condo, and I really just wanted to provide you guys with some content while I take a little break moving and settling into our new place. So I'm going to bring to you 3 looks this week, one each day I normally upload, and it's going to be super fun and just, you know, what I can offer you right now for content. So please know that this video was pre-filmed, and let's go ahead and get into it. All I really know is that I would like to use this gold shade today called Mirage. I think first I'm going to go into this shade right here, which is called Camel. It is in fact a camel brown. And I'm going to go ahead and get this started in my transition. I've been wanting to do videos with the other 2 Natasha Denona dupe palettes that I have from Alter Ego since I finished my 7 looks with the Alter Ego ARTEMIS palette. I had so much fun using that palette that I just was immediately wanting to get into my other 2 dupe palettes more. I've used them, but not in any real capacity. Alright, next I'm going to go into this brown right here. I think it's a warm brown and it's called Canyon, and I'm going to go into just ever so slightly a smaller bridge. And with this, I'm just going to work on defining the crease a little bit. I know I said it in my ARTEMIS review, 7 looks in review, but these mattes from Alter Ego blend every bit as well as Natasha Denona mattes, in my opinion. And who doesn't want a palette that performs like Natasha Denona but doesn't cost as much as Natasha Denona? I'm putting this in the crease, but I'm also kind of getting that situated as on the outer part of the lid as well, just to kind of give a little bit of a base to the deepest shade that I'm going to use for the depth. Duh, Kyra. Going back into the shade Camel with that original fluffy brush. Just gonna make sure that we have no harsh edges and a nice blend, and that we can see both shades of brown. Do you guys have any of these Alter Ego palettes? I would love to know. The only one I think I don't have of their like Natasha Denona dupes is the one for the gold palette, and that's because I already have the gold palette. I'm not in the habit of, you know, buying duplicate palettes, whether it's a dupe for an original palette or the original palette. It doesn't make any sense for me. And then for the outermost part of the eye, I'm going in with this shade right here called Fox. Looks like a, I want to say, like a rusty burgundy, a warm burgundy. You got me. I'm also going to run this shade on the same brush just a little bit under the eye and making sure that I'm connected with the upper lashes, with that upper, with the uppers, the upstairs and the downstairs. Good grief. As a random aside, I figured out today, the hard way, that my Smashbox lid primer had dried out on me. It was a bummer. I really like that stuff, but I mean, to be fair, for a while I felt like it really wasn't working very well for me, so I had switched over to using first the Ulta matte eye primer in nude and then the MAC paint pot, and I've not gone back from the paint pot. But then I had pulled the Smashbox one out the other day and I was like, well, I probably should like work on using this up. It's the oldest primer in my collection, and you know, it's something I try not to have a bunch of different ones for the reason that they dry out eventually. But alas, it was too late. It gave me like chunks and it gave me texture, and I just couldn't do it. Alrighty, then going back into our original fluffy brush, no additional product. I'm just going to give this a nice soft blend. So needless to say, I had to take off the Smashbox primer and reprime with my MAC paint pot, and it's perfect. All right, for the lid, we're gonna go into this golden shade called Mirage, and I'm stupid to start with a brush. Just go with your gut, Kyra. Use your finger. And oh man, this is my type of a gold shadow. It's that really bright gold kind of shadow. I just can't do a super yellowy gold. I just don't like the way it looks on myself. I don't know, I don't recall using this shade, but it's gorgeous. This is like my go-to color of gold, because gold eyeshadow is beautiful, but I don't think all tones of gold eyeshadow are necessarily for everybody. So for me, I really like this tone. Now I'm gonna go back to our mid-tone, which was this one right here called Canyon, and pick it up on the same brush I had it on before. And I'm just gonna go back and forth between the gold and the warm burgundy bricky shade that I can't describe, called Fox. Now I'm just going to take this clean fluffy here and finish blending, perfecting the shape. Okay, and last but not least, I'm going to take this Camel brown called Camel and run it along the lower lash line. Don't want it to be too dark on the lower lash line. It's pretty heavy up top, so I want to balance it today. But I do want something down there. Otherwise, I feel like I run the risk of looking a little top heavy. All right, I'm gonna pop off of here and finish up the eyes. I'm gonna put a little bit of a nude liner on the lower inner rim and also crack open this baby, which is my brand new full size of the Milk Kush mascara. You're gonna be hearing about this one for a while, and I'm gonna do something about the hair, add some jewelry and a lip, and we will be right back. All right, we are back. I finished off the eyes, and then for lips, I used the MAC lip pencil in the shade Soar, and one of the Just a Tints from ColourPop that I really haven't used all that much since purchasing it, but this is the shade A Go Go. This one, I feel like it smells different than my other one, and not in a bad way. The other one kind of, I have just some more. Gimme some more? Yes, gimme some more. So this is the final look for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video and today's look. Let me know what you think down below. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Either really helps me out here on the platform. It helps to get my videos suggested to other people, and then we can all make more friends down in the comments. And with all of that said, thank you so much for sticking around whilst I'm taking a little time off to move and settle into our new house. And I hope all of your makeup days are absolutely beautiful makeup days, and I will see you in my next video on Thursday.